Wow. Mm.
I'm gonna make that a toy. As a toy. I'm gonna sell them. I'm gonna just sell it
Ha?
for 5 pesos. An OG will be 0.001% chance. An OG, you can find an OG. Wait, but the Oreo. Divine is more better than OG. Pretend.
Di sana naman ito kayo.
I mean the OG will be the best. The second is the Divine. The third is but the first is OOG. This is the OOG.
Ay, picture mo yan.
OOG. That's not the OOG.
Oh, careful.
OG? Divine. Divine is the third. Okay. OG. OOG. The fourth will be.
Oh, let's go.
Critic? No. Divine?
Careful.
Secret. This is Divine. This is OG. Mine is OG.
Nasabi lang Michael.
Or a Divine.
Nukor na kayo, siguro na.
This is the OOG. No, this is the OOG.
Just na pa ako.
No, that is
Nano?
Magbabay mo.
It's not the OG.
Ay, yun ba?
Ayun, sige, ayun.
Small one.
Send ko na lang ito kayo. Mas magdakal ka pa picture ka na ako.
Let's go.
Ayun, nasa.
Sorry, this is
Nanangas ka rin.
paglumas. OG.
Vintage.
Oh,
Fine.
Nandun eh, rustic. Rustic.
Oreo. OOG. That's not a best. That's a
matalala ka pag alam mo yan.
Si Mapin na susuhay kaya.
Pwede kayo ni Che, may tayo.
Ayun. Kala mo ito nga ni Yaspen.
Basketball lang.
Unanong achukeni.
Karakal Kavin.
Ang isang matinuyo. Dapat yan.
Nakasunga.
Supportive ka kayo. Paano invite niyo?
Ay, malampol dito.
We're coming to the moon?
Last na yata eh.
Stairs are...
Tara naman tayo. Ay!
Hindi ka sakit. Sakit?